Now for this next project, I'm going to do a little duckling. I could paint only the duckling, but I thought it might be really nice if I put some tape around it, have a blue sky in, have my green grass, and maybe put a flower or two in. And then as I get down here, I don't need it to be as yellow as that, so I'm going to dip my brush in the water, take it over here so I have less color, and then I'm going to try to add more water and let that yellow that I already have in here just carry itself down in the clean water. Here it's just basically water. I went from water, got rid of some of the excess, and brought it down over here. Just like that. Maybe do you see what I'm doing? I'm dabbing on right now, and that releases the water from the tip. Let's bring it around the side. What I'm doing is taking my color, bringing it over onto my mixing area, and I'm removing some of the extra water, just like that. And then let's go ahead and bring the little legs down and right down through here. That's very cute. Now we could leave it like this. That is pretty cute. So we'll have just a bit more water in there. And then we'll work with that in just a second. Let's get a nice blue sky in. I'm taking a lot of water, scooping up the water. And I'm tilting my paper like this so the color can run, so I have hopefully a little smoother color in my painting. And I'm going to go around our duckling. Maybe I'll turn the paper a little bit so I can get over on this side a little easier. And I'm going to go in like that, or you could use that tape technique that I've done before. And I'm going to go around our flower. Something like that. So I'm just touching the very tip of the brush, letting it mingle. We could even make the impression of little other flowers just by how we change the brush. Just like that. And then soften maybe a few of those edges. Maybe. I kind of like that.